Hi everyone, I hope you're all fit and well. I'm Nick.
And I'm Katie, and with Doris, Lily and Fizz, our 3 dogs, we are the Wandering Winches.
A few years ago we decided we'd like to leave the rat race and pursue our dream of living on the road in our camper van.
We bought a small property with land in central Portugal, which we would use as a base to bimble around Portugal and Europe.
We're finally leaving in June 2021 and we hope you will join us on our travels and adventures everywhere.
And who knows, maybe you'll fancy doing the same thing.
What do you reckon, Doris? Right, so we need to get on with something. I don't know where Katie is. Ready? Hey presto! Welcome back everybody. Thanks for tuning in and saying hello. So this week we've got a few bits and bobs going on and we're going to show you some of this. And some of this.
Been here, haven't we?
Yeah, what, Andy here, didn't we? And maybe a little bit of this. Okay, right now though, Katie's making tea, look. Pasta.
A little bit of pasta.
A little bit of pasta.
With tuna.
Oh, with tuna. Oh, egg. Oh, we spoiled.
Tomato.
Oh, spoiled
And
rotten.
onion
And
and
sweet
bacon.
onion. Oh, I wouldn't give for a little bit of onion. Yeah, so that's what we're having for tea. Okay, let's take you for a walk. This is our country lane. This is our little lane by the side of our house. I'm going to take the dogs for a walk. It's now about 7 o'clock. We're starting to cool down a bit, so fantastic. It's just too hot during the day. I know why they all have siestas now. It's too hot. There's now a little song. So I was thinking, in the near future, some of these boulders, if you look at these, look, if you turn these sideways, you hit them with a cold chisel in the middle about here, and they'll split quite neatly and quite thin. And I'm thinking, patio. On its own, that tiny field is so green compared to everything else. You bored, Doris? Can you hear my wellies flopping on my legs? Can you hear my wellies flopping on my legs? I try to walk without making a sound so no one hears, but every time I take a step, it flaps back to my ears. Can you hear my wellies flopping on my legs? Can you hear my wellies, 'cause they're flopping on my legs? Oh, there's a goose over there. Morning campers.
Morning.
How are we doing? So today we're thinking about moving, just having a bit of a break from the land, maybe sort of 2 or 3 days.
We're going to head towards Nazare, which is just there, and then we're going to tootle down the coast here and end in Sintra, which is there, where there's apparently a beautiful castle, and then a trip a little bit further south.
Along the coast.
Yeah, excuse the bad hair day, by the way. I don't even know what to look like this morning yet.
Excuse the bad me day. Bad me year. Oh yes, so I hope you enjoyed the drone footage. As you can see now we have a drone, which is fantastic. Toy. Yeah, a bit cautious with using it the first time because it's quite an expensive bit of kit and I didn't want to lose it, crash it, whatever. But as it turns out, it's really easy to control as well. Even I can do it. So, but it's a Mini Mavic 2. It's under a certain weight limit, isn't it? So that you can, you don't have to have a license for it either, which is fantastic. But what a bit of kit. So hopefully we'll be doing a bit more on the side of drone footage, which will just change everything really, because you can see up in the air and see where we are and see what we're doing, etc. Really did you see the little arrow pointing at us waving? I mean,
try and do that a bit better another time.
Yeah, but nevertheless it's there now.
It's really exciting though, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
It looks really good.
There's another bit of footage I haven't put on there yet of Katie actually doing a dance. So I'll
have to do another dance.
I might sling that one in because it's something else. Right, I suppose we ought to crack on and get on with the day, otherwise we'll never get there.
Yeah, we'll show you the map, show you where we're thinking of going and where we're thinking of finishing up.
Yeah, okay. I might have already done that.
Okay.
We'll show you again here.
I'm not very good at this filmmaking thing. But anyway.
There we go. Okay, so now you can see where we're off to. Right. Shall we get things sorted?
I think we'd better.
So we need to get the bed sorted now, don't we?
Yeah,
right,
and my hair.
All right. Let me get changed, have a wash, and then we'll crack on.
See you later.
See you later. That's better. Oh, wait, hang on. It's all a bit tight. Oh, there we go. Just going to have to rebuild the bed again because we had to pull it out one night when it was really hot. It was too hot to stay in here. It was about 38, 39 degrees. So we had to pull it all out and put it in the house before we bought the bed. So, the real bed. So we're going to try and rebuild this now. Oh, I feel like it's a knockout. Here come the Belgians. Also in here we've got this absolute godsend, brilliant piece of kit. This this fan, basically that at night. Oh, fantastic. And we've also got another bit of kit. Then I need to find a 3-pin for the power bank to plug into it. This Mozzie killer, absolute must. Oh, there she is. We're back. Fairy lights. Katie's fairy lights. There we go. Right, are we all good?
I'm just going to get the duvet and then...
Okay. I used to play in a band, you know, Kate, called Duvet. We used to do covers. Oh dear. There we go.
I've heard that one before, ever.
Haven't you?
No.
Thought I told you it about 100 times. Right, that's the bed ready. So, a few more bits and bobs ready.
Power bank, water.
Power bank, water. Water's done.
Lifesaver.
Ah, lifesaver. Right, let's go and sort the lightsaber out. Saber, yeah. Alright, so this little bit of kit. Here's a cracker as well. This is a beauty of a piece of kit because you literally fill it up with water like that. I'm just going to wait for it to gush out the top and then it's full then. There we are. Okay. And then put that back on top. Screw it up nice and tight. Okay, and then this piece at the front here, it's actually a pump. So you pump it up. Okay, lock it on, and then it pushes the water all the way through a filter at the bottom and gives you clean drinking water all over my feet. Wonderful. Right, so bed's ready. What have we got? Table, guitar, obviously need that. Lifesaver, sorry. Camping chairs, water, extra water, more water, and a full tank of water. Steps, we'll need them, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Into bed, yeah.
To get into bed.
Power bank we still need.
Power lead in case we come across hook up, I doubt we will though. And hose for water in case we come across water, which I doubt we will, so that's why we're carrying a lot of water. Fishing rod. Always worth a waste of time with. So just a power bank, yeah?
Yeah.
So...
Just turn the gas off whilst you're out here.
I certainly do. As we are travelling. Turn to gas off. There we go. Gas is off. Off. There we go. Right, just a power bank to go. Okay, there's the power bank in. Might as well put these in while I'm here. And then we've got the solar panels to come as well, and then we are good to go. I'll show you that these all fold up. Look, Katie will give you a demonstration while she stands on Lily. Nice and easy to fold up, look. Getting rather dusty now because our land is a bit dusty, isn't it? And they slide into a nice little pocket on the side, look. And the zips do up. Dead easy. And one clip. And the other clip. Yeah. It's twisted.
Oh.
There we go.
There we are. Ta-da!
Ta-da! Power oak. Solar panel. Right, and shut the little cabinet. Lock it up. And that is it. Good to go. Yeah. All good?
Yeah, I think so.
Right. Rock and roll. Here we go. These two trees here, look.
And these two?
These two, yeah, not the little olive in the front, the two bigger ones. They're both sweet chestnut. Oh, one of my favourite things in the whole world. Would you believe we've got two? Roll on September. Okay, so we've got to the beach called Nazare, who we're going to finally. A little bit overcast, but just to give you an idea, this is our view for the morning. It's just, what time is it now, Kate?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, so if there was any sun, we've missed it. But I didn't mind because we took a nice little bit of a strolly drive down here anyway. Well, I say strolly drive, the blooming sat-nav took us the wrong way through the bloody mountains. But it was lovely, it was very nice. But anyway, have a look at this, look. So that's our view for the night. Not bad, is it? Morning, morning, everybody. Right, so we're still at Nazare. You enjoying yourself, Lil? Yeah?
She's loving it, loving the beach.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, so we're still here, look, have a look at that. A little bit overcast, but nevertheless still beautiful.
Very warm.
Better than going to work every morning. I think everyone would agree. Still very warm. It's still about what, 22 degrees, something like that.
I think so, at least. Yeah, when the
Feels
sun
about
breaks
that.
through, it's
Yeah. So yeah. Oh, let's go for a walk, shall we?
yeah. Let's see what Doris makes of the sea.
Yeah, let's go.
So this is Nazare or Nazare Beach. As you can see, we're just parked up there. You can see us. That's where we spent the night. Okay, the sun's just starting to break through now, which is fantastic. Fizz, come on this way. Oh, we do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, we do like to be beside the sea. With a rum-tum-tum. Don't know the rest. Oh, Lily absolutely loves the beach. Tourists around. The water park is closed down, presumably because of COVID. And Doris, get off the horse poo, come on. No, come on.
So apparently, well not apparently, this beach is used for World Championship surf competitions. And if you have a look over here, look, right onto that peak there, what do you call it, cliff?
Yeah.
There's a building on top of there and everybody sits on the, or stands on the top of it. When the waves come in, they come in about 70 to 75 feet high. That's some, you think I'm just under 6 foot? That is some serious wave, isn't it?
Yeah, some of the record-breaking surf has been just here, which provides a bit of a mecca for surfers.
Yeah, although there's no
we've not seen one, but anyway, they are all up on the cliff top waiting, I think, waiting patiently.
There's a song about that, 17 at 17. It's a song about surfing, check it out, 17 at 17. I can't remember the band, but weird, don't we, weird. Weird. Rincon, Jellybone, talk to me. Jellybone, recall, which shall it be? Good song. Let's fit this ball. Ready? Here we go. Go. Yeah! Come on, little ball! There you go. Come on, kid.
Oh no, she's not going to attempt that hill, surely. She'll roll down it.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh dear.
Oh, she wants to say hello to the little dog.
That looks good for it to come down and then go back
Oh.
up again, doesn't it? Oh, steady.
Oh.
Well done. You alright? Come on then. Oh. Another one.
What have you done, Doris? Oh, that did you in, didn't it?
Oh, that was good. Nice walk on the beach in the morning.
Yeah, fantastic.
Can't beat it.
Yeah.
The dogs enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it, Fizz?
I think they did.
Did you?
About ready
Hey,
to
hey.
Lil.
Come on,
About
can't go
ready
out
to go
there.
again by the looks of it.
Did you enjoy it, Fizz? Yeah, okay. We're going to move on to somewhere else, okay? All right. Hey, Doris, I said we're going to move on, all right? Okay. What did you want? Oh, okay. No, Lily. So, we're going to go...
Well, we're here.
I don't know if you can see that because of the light, Kate.
right.
You're going to have to do... There we go. Right,
Okay.
so we are now where?
We're here. There.
Yeah.
And we're thinking of moving down to that little tiny horseshoe there that hasn't got a name or anything.
Okay,
So we're hoping it might be deserted.
Okay. Right, well, let's get the wagon ready. No, circle the wagons is when you camp, isn't it? I can't remember which one it is. Let's get together and go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Wagons roll.
Wagons roll. Let's go.